Hello, in front of me I have ROGBID S2 smartwatch and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe right on the screen to open the menu, then tap on this icon right here to open the list of every icon, or rather every application on your watch. Now scroll through this list, find the alarm icon, looks like this, and tap on it to open the alarm menu. And here we can set up the alarm clock by tapping on the plus button, and now we have a couple of options. We can tap on time and set the time on which the alarm should go off. You can change the AM and PM by swiping up and down. You can change the hours, minutes, and once you're done you can tap on the check mark. Next we have repeat, and here we can select on which days the alarm should repeat. If you don't select any days, it will go off only once and then turn itself off. But if you select, for example, let's say Monday and Thursday, and go back, the alarm will repeat on every Monday and Thursday. Oh, you don't go back, you need to scroll down and tap on the check mark right here. And now the alarm will repeat on every Monday and Wednesday in this case. And when we go back now, by swiping right on the screen, you will see that the alarm is here, and we can enable it or disable it by tapping on the plus, or rather on the switch. We can also add multiple alarms by tapping on the plus button, like that. And if you want to remove the alarm, you can tap on one, tap on the bin icon to remove it, like that. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.